In this video, I want to show you how to download Zoom app on a laptop. First, you have to simply open up any web browser. Here, you have to simply search the Zoom app. Then at the top, you will find the official website of the Zoom. So here, you need to simply first open up this. So here, you will find the official Zoom downloading link. So here, first thing you need to simply select the specific type of download. So here you notice that there is a three options: download 64-bit and download 32. So first make sure you check out the exact version before you want to download it. So I want to show you how to check your Windows bit. So first you have to simply tap on this computer and make sure you check out your PC properties. So here you notice that my system type is 64-bit. So now I need to install the 64 Zoom application. So here you need to simply tap on 64 download, and here you need to simply tap on save. So now it will be download the Zoom installer exe file. So this is an official website where you can download the Zoom meeting application. Now you notice that the Zoom application is successfully downloaded. So now you need to simply open up your downloaded exe file. So as you notice that the Zoom application is successfully downloaded. So now I just want to install this application as an administrator. So it take a little bit time. So now you need to simply tap on yes for confirmation. So this is the Zoom workplace where you can make the video calls and attend online classes. So you notice that the installation was successfully completed. So now you can simply sign in your Zoom account here. So if you have already a Zoom account, you can simply tap on sign in, and you can simply put your Zoom account username and password, and once you tap on this one, you'll be enabled to log in. So as you notice that I have successfully installed the Zoom application on my laptop by using this method. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching.